In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions into Xero efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you manage your financial data with ease. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and navigate to the dashboard. This is your central hub for all actions you'll be performing in Xero, and starting here will simplify the process considerably. On the dashboard, look for the Business tab. You'll find it among the primary navigation options. By clicking on Business, we're essentially telling Xero that we want to explore activities related to our business finances. Next, you want to click on the Invoices option. This selection leads you directly to the sections of your account that deal with sales transactions, which is what we're interested in importing right now. Once you're in the Invoices section, look for the button or option labeled Import. It's typically located at the top, making it easy to access. Clicking on Import sets the stage to bring in those vital transactions into your Xero account seamlessly. Now that you're on the import page, it's time to upload your file. Make sure that the file you're importing is formatted correctly. Xero usually supports CSV files for transaction imports, so double check that your data adheres to their format specifications. The upload interface in Xero is user-friendly, guiding you through the uploading process step by step. Just follow the prompts and you'll find it to be a smooth experience. After selecting and uploading your file, you'll click on Import to finalize the process. At this juncture, Xero might perform a quick review of the content. If there are any discrepancies or formatting issues, Xero will notify you, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments before the final importation. Once everything checks out, your transactions will be successfully imported into Xero, ready for you to analyze, report, and record. Importing transactions saves you time, reduces errors, and ensures that you're always in control of your financial picture. That's it for today's guide. Remember, keeping your data organized and up to date in Xero helps you make informed financial decisions and manage your business more effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials and tips on streamlining your accounting processes.